Hello and welcome to this new video. It is a part of a list, so if you are new, please take a look to the previous videos because they are all connected. You will find the link on the description below. In this video, we will see the laser emitter module. It's a very basic module that you will program like an LED. It sends a laser. I will show you a fun project that you can use for security to detect any intruder in your room in a very fun way. Here, every time there is an obstacle in front of the laser, the red LED will be turned on. It could be also a buzzer. This is the laser module. This is a photoresistor. And this is my LED. This is the wiring of the module. As you can see, it's very simple. Here, it's connected to D4. Now, I will make a program to control the module. So, I will make it a blink. I will make the same program that I'm used to do with the LED. And this is the result after uploading the program. Now I have the photoresistor placed in front of the laser. Basically, I need to check the value returned from the sensor when it is affected by the laser. Here, I will keep the laser turned on and display on the serial monitor the value of the photoresistor. If it is your first time working with this sensor, I made a video about it. After some tests, I noticed that when the laser is pointing to the sensor, I have a value of 1023. Otherwise, the value is below 800. Now I will make my final program that you saw. I have an LED connected to D5. If the value of the sensor is below 800, it means that there is an obstacle or an intruder, and I will turn the LED on. Otherwise, I will turn it off. As you can see, the program is very simple. And you already know the final result. I hope that you liked the video and see you soon. Bye.